In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to verify your age in Roblox new update. First thing you want to do is launch your Roblox, then navigate to the settings. Click on the gear option, click on settings. Now head over to the option, account info. Underneath your birthday and age group, click the button that says continue with ID or continue with selfie. Select your preferred option. Then you'll be prompted to begin the age verification flow. Click continue and follow the instructions as indicated, allowing camera access. Scan your ID document. Roblox will detect what type of document you have. If there is a barcode on the back, scan and capture an image of the back of your ID. You'll be asked to capture a photo. This photo will be used to verify that you are the same person as one on your photo ID. Once you complete this verification process, you will be good to go. Your age will be verified. So that's it. This is how you can easily verify your age on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.